Welcome back everyone. In this video we'll walk you through the paint process on Colin's split bus. We'll start with removing the old brush paint, you can see it's brush painted all the way around, and then we'll show you how we did the blending the paintwork in, painting the underneath. Okay. Okay, so I thought this might have been emulsion, because when I first started getting it off, it's coming off quite easy. But now, yeah, I'm struggling with it. It's hard work. Some of it's coming off quite quick. Other bits are an absolute nightmare. I think it just depends how thick it's on. But what I'm doing now at the minute, I've got a tub of thinners and a Scotch pad, and that's about the quickest way. So the quickest way of getting it off. So I've done the left hand side, the long side panel. I'm just going to finish this short panel and finish the cargo doors off, and we should be good to go. And this is how it looks now. All the brushed on paint has been took off, and all the primer has been blocked down and prepped ready for paint. Next up, we got it all masked up, got some epoxy on the bare metal sections, and then got the colour on the repairs. Okay, so this is Colin's bus with all the paintwork, all the repairs blended in. This is the original, some of the it's been repainted there. We've done the panels already. Started flattening them down. To take the shine off, because the original paints, I don't know if you can tell now, it's really flat. That's because I used a Scotch pad and thinners to get the white paint off, because nothing else was really touching it. We've spoke to Colin about polishing it back up, but he quite likes it flat like that, so I'll get these get this fresh paint flatted back to match. But I'm really pleased with that overall. This side's still a bit wobbly. We ain't took all the dents out. It's quite an hard life. But yeah, the repairs are all done, painted. Just got to get the underneath into epoxy and Raptor, so we'll do that. We'll do that next, then we can get all the suspension on and get it built up so Colin can have it back. But yeah, really pleased with this so far. So I'm gonna get it, gonna put it on bake, get the masking off, and have another look. Okay, so here I'm masking the van out to protect all the paint that we've just done. Then we're going to get the van on the rollover jig, so we can get the underneath painted. Here we're just prepping the underside of the bus, ready for the seam sealer and Mipa Protector. Here I'm just seam sealing all of the joins. I'll start at the back of the bus and work my way to the front. I've cut loads of it out as it's a bit repetitive. All the bare metal parts, add a couple of coats of no-vol epoxy. Next, I put a few coats of tintable Mipa Protector on. I thinned it down and put it on with a primer gun to give it a nice smooth finish. As you can see, it's quite a nice smooth finish. There's a bit of a sheen. It's not really flat. It's easy to clean and hard wearing, which is perfect for the underside of a bus that's going to be used. We flatted the blended areas down and took the bus outside. We just wanted to check that the blends weren't visible before carrying on. Colin has been talking to Mike Hayward about coming down for a day or two to do some of the patina work. He's planning on adding some pretend rust down the seams between the rear corners and the side panels, so it follows the original rust on the top half of the bus, and adding some red on the swage line and maybe a couple of other bits and bobs, just so the bottom half of the bus looks like it hasn't been touched. That'll all be on the next video, so I'll catch you guys there. I hope you've liked it. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.